So myself and Dr. Jeremy here have just awesome teams that have been with us for a long time, and they're fully just self-motivated and confident in chiropractic and delivering chiropractic to the masses. And it comes from constant education, wouldn't you say? So we empower them through the education process. We train them on different steps so that our team not only can flow in each position in the office. It's not the old school way where you get the front desk staff and they pick up the phone,
office manager,
and you got somebody in the back, like the dragon lady in the back that doesn't want to deal with anybody else. It's like, no, everybody's floating around, everybody can do each other's position, and they're all rock stars while doing it. And it comes through that education and constant training, not just on the systems and procedures, but on chiropractic, on health statistics, and the whole healthcare paradigm.
Yeah, you know, you can teach anybody about the software, right?
Yeah.
You can teach anybody to take an x-ray, but what matters most is the heart, right? They have a heart, they have a passion for chiropractic. They see the vision of serving the community and really reaching more, babies, family, kids, seniors, anybody for chiropractic, removing interference, letting the body heal from the inside out. That's the difference between a team that's successful, that's moving the practice forward, and really reaching people.
Yeah, and the best tool to do that with our program has been the modules.
Yeah,
has it not? Tell us about the modules.
The modules, when we plug the team members into the modules, it's like light bulbs go off. Especially if you have a new team member that's still getting the bigger idea. They're getting it, but it's like the modules are such a great way to assign them. They can go home and watch it, man. It's like they go home on Saturday or evening, they take a little chunk of time, a half hour, they break these modules down. Whether it's on the office tour, whether it's on how to answer phone calls effectively, whether it's on some team-related issues and topics to help give them encouragement and positivity.
Yeah. And you can do it as a group, or you get a new team member,
and
you can plug them right back in from the very beginning.